Welcome to this video. My name is Emily Addis. Today we're going to be doing a no equipment, full body, complete body weight or calisthenics workout. For this workout, you just need some space, you don't need any equipment. This workout's going to be 8 total exercises, a mixture of upper and lower body. So you can either perform each exercise, rest for about a minute, and then repeat for 3 total sets of each exercise, or you can perform these in a circuit, one exercise after the other, and then repeat the circuit 3 total times once you've finished. Without further ado, let's get right into it. And that is the entire workout. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.